How to change language on Netflix on phone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Netflix app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you will land to the home page. At the bottom right corner you can find your profile. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile name. With that, all of your Netflix profiles will appear at the bottom. Now tap on the option of Manage Profiles. Now tap on the profile in which you want to change the language. I'm gonna choose this one. With that, you will get different options. Go to the option Display Language, open it. Now here you're gonna get tons of language options. You can choose any of the language of your choice from here. Just tap on the language and then go back. Now tap on the option of Done. With that, the language that you have selected will be applied to this profile. So this is how you can change language on Netflix on phone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.